sir, could you please tell us about the case?
First, let me see the dead body.
Sir, please say something.
Sir, do you have
please,
any information
please.
about the murderers?
I mean the killer?
Yeah, regarding the killers, how many of them would be there? I think you should decide. Think properly and let me know. Let me begin my job.
Sir,
Mr. Paul,
sir,
is the procedure over?
finished, sir. That lady is admitted in the hospital. Doctor says there is nothing to worry.
Okay. Actually, who was the first witness?
He's staying close by. Hey, come here.
Hey, come soon.
Hey, Constable,
Sir?
I'll deal with it. What's your name?
My name is Thomas, sir.
Around what time did you see?
Around 6:30, sir.
Why did you come here at that time?
I am the caretaker, sir. House owner has told me to take care of this house, sir.
Did you inquire about the owner?
I inquired about it. A man from Switzerland. I heard he is not staying over here for past 1 year.
Okay. You may leave.
Thank you, sir.
Whatever problem that happens in our company, we should stand as one. We should never let go. Okay?
Let's take leave for 2 weeks. In that time, we'll sort out everything. Oh, 2 weeks is too less to sort this out. If we don't, they'll all get together and beat us up. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
We will get it ready. Alright, you guys sit here. I will go and talk to them. Oh, you are standing here itself. I will make sure something happens now. Okay then, come inside.
Alright, should I keep the food ready?
First, you will get ready and then we can have.
I have already eaten.
Oh, then I don't want food. Yeah, all the papers are okay only. We would need a copy of this for our advocate.
I hope you like the place, sir.
Yes, but we need to do the legal verification.
Give it to them.
Okay, sir, you can take it, sir.
Oh, you guys are broker.
Not at all. I am a mediator.
Oh.
He is the actual owner of the place.
Oh, welcome, sir.
Peter, that building owner has come for the rent.
Oh, God.
What should I say?
Say something and let them go.
Hello, can I talk to Peter?
Hello?
Mr. Peter, please?
No, he's not here.
Where is he gone?
He's on a tour now.
Madam, I'm broker Roy. Actually, I wanted to... Hello? Hello, madam?
I have made tea for all. If you give me some money, I'll buy biscuits also.
You put in the money.
Yeah, I put.
You do the same thing every time.
What all we thought? Project, property, profit. Oof. All our wishes got ruined right now. Oh God.
Oh, I see. I think something is cooking up. I am so concerned about you people. You must have forgotten. There are more than 6 months rent is pending. I got one suggestion for you. You people don't have to pay any rent for me. Come on. You can enter now. You are seeing my office now. All these furnitures are mine. Go and have a watch.
Sir, these people...
Oh, they will leave now. Hello.
Hello, is it Dream Centers? Sir, I'm broker Roy. I just want to talk about that place.
I don't think it is going to happen. Because of rent problem, I asked them to leave. Okay.
Sir, hello.
Okay then, bye. You people don't worry about it.
If you don't buy sugar this evening, don't expect me to make coffee for you in the morning.
Oh my god, you wake up in the afternoon and you'll give me coffee.
Peter, do you know what this is? Do you know you mortgaged all the gold that I had? And this is the notice for it. You were hiding all the details from me. You could have just said something to me. I would have begged and borrowed money from my father. Are you even a human being? I don't even know what else you are hiding from me. I can't stay together with you. I fed up.
Madam, we have to go there only, no?
But not like that day. I'm not going to coming back here.
You told me the same thing last
Why
time.
can't you take the vehicle?
Yes.
I heard that your office is shifted to the club, and I saw that too. I'm happy. What happened to you, Peter?
Dad, all these things are done by the office.
Good. I heard all the details from Mr. Thomas. One question. What have you to say about your wife? She told me that she's decided and she is not coming there anymore. Now I have to hear your decision too. Then I will decide everything.
Dad, I have an investor in my line. Everything will be alright in a week. After that, I will come and bring her back home. I'm sure about that.
I'm able to understand everything you told me. Whatever it is, you know that I'm also a businessman. You should never forget that. If you feel that you require about 25 lakhs of rupees, I can manage to give you.
Hey, that's not needed. Even if I have to struggle a lot, I will definitely come out of this crisis.
Okay, dear. In that case, any help, please do call me.
Hi, dude. Hey,
Hello,
I'll call you
brother.
back.
Are you talking to your girlfriend?
Hey, he's a friend, man.
Well, all of them say the same thing. If she has a sister, give me her number.
You bloody
it
fool.
hurts.
I am a friend of your brother, not yours, okay? Who's that? Someone from whom I borrowed money?
Hi, who is this? The real estate business tycoon, Mr. Peter.
Oh, started.
I can't believe this. We just heard that your office has been closed now.
Oh, so you're unemployed now.
Are you not ashamed of all this? You said you were a big lion on the marketing, and we were all small brokers. Remember how you used to tease us? By the way, buddy, you used to say often something.
Useless broker.
Useless broker. But these useless brokers have settled in their life now, you know? Now you guys, when are you going to settle in your life? I don't know.
How are they going to get well settled? We asked them to join us a long time back.
But that time he was a big king, right?
Yeah. Are you done? Yeah, you are right. I am still that real estate contractor only. You will be here only, right?
Yeah, of course.
I am in a holiday mood right now.
Oh.
After that, I'll come.
Okay. The guts you have in you. That reason. The only reason why Geo George likes you.
Gio.
Geo George? Buddy, nowadays everybody call me like that. How's my name? Huh?
Hey, bro. Just ask him to go away, man.
Buddy, don't raise your voice. Okay, we'll see later, okay? Bye-bye. Good luck. See you.
But then these guys?
Buddy, we have to finalize the project. It's already getting late. Come, let's go. Come on. Buddy, see you.
Oh,
Shit, I thought he's going to bash them up. Shit.
Come on, take the car fast.
go, man.
Don't stop the car anywhere, okay? Just move on.
Whatever. Nothing is happening, man.
Hey, buddy. Have you seen the cow which is next to our house?
Which cow?
Why are you teasing like that? What is wrong with the cow? Tell me. We have to make money, that's it.
What? You are talking about cow and pig and all. I will become a big builder.
Oh,
Oh, both of you guys make it in life.
I told you I'll become.
oh really? Okay, then you become. Bloody nonsense.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
I saw an ad about properties. I needed to know the details of that. Where is this place, sir?
You mean that cottage? Is that
right.
Peter?
Yes, that's right.
Sir, I am broker Roy, sir.
Which Roy? Oh, you mean you are broker Roy, is it?
yeah, the same person. Sir, I heard that your company is closed.
Hey, company is not closed. I'm just taking a break for few days. Can we go and see that place tomorrow?
Sir, I hope this time it will work out.
Come on, man. You don't believe me?
Actually, I believe you, but still...
Hey, no, but still. We will go tomorrow and see the place. If we like it, we'll register in 1 week.
In that case, do one thing, sir. You come in the morning itself.
Sure, I'll be there.
We'll go and see the place tomorrow.
All right.
Sir, come get down, sir. You saw that? This cottage is almost like a palace, sir.
Looks really nice.
Hi, Roy.
Good morning, sir. Sir, about that customer, sir. He's the man, sir.
Oh.
He's a big shot, sir. Dream Planeters.
Hello, Charles.
Hello, sir. Peter. We came to see this place.
Go ahead. Mr. Roy,
Yeah.
Just show him around the
Sure,
place.
sir. Definitely,
Huh?
sir. Did you like it, sir?
Hey, it is nice.
This place is really good, you know?
But why are they selling it now?
They have to give no other way.
But the amount is very low.
Sir, they have not reduced the amount, sir. Here per square feet it is 75,000 rupees. 1 acre costs several lakhs, sir. And what about the house? Everything together it will go for about crores. So I'm sure this is a good rate, sir. If you're giving by complete amount, they will reduce
We
more.
should give it a try, right?
You try to speak to them, sir.
Have a seat. Mr. Roy, you also
Okay.
sit. I think you like the place very much.
Even if I didn't see the house, I really liked
Of
it.
course he will like. I'm sure about that. Mm.
Mr. Roy,
Yeah.
let us have tea first. Then we will see the house.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, madam, why are you straining yourself?
That's okay. Here, tea for you.
Thank you.
This is with sugar free.
I have no sugar problem, but she won't allow me to have.
Oh, right.
Go ahead with your tea.
You didn't tell us your name.
Superb tea.
Just told me, but I forgot.
I am Peter.
Peter. I don't remember nowadays. That is the problem.
Okay then, let us see the house.
Mr. Roy, take him inside.
Okay. Come, sir. They don't give the time to have tea. Come, sir. We'll go and see inside.
Shirley, I have something to say. Come on, we will stand outside.
Wow. Nice place, right, sir?
It's nice.
really superb. Sir, one doubt. I hope you have cash with you. Or are you trying to play a game with me?
All that is there, man. You don't worry.
Come.
What will we do with all these small things in their house?
If they are taking, let them take it. Instead of us taking all the things, we can buy new things, no?
Even that's right.
Sir, he saw the house. He liked it very much. Sir, what about the rest of the matter, sir?
Peter, what is your opinion about the house?
What do you expect, sir?
People have come here with very good offers. But what I think now, I don't mind selling for 1 crore. I told so to Roy also. Now it is up to you.
I am looking at this property with an investment angle.
Okay.
What about a 1, 2, 3 process? What do you think?
I will tell you a final figure. If you are ready to take, I will reduce it by 25 lakhs. Finally 75 lakhs.
75?
Mr. Roy, take your brokerage from this person only and don't come to me for that.
Don't tell me that. Don't play with me, sir.
Sir, give me a minute. Let me talk to my partners also.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, tell me.
Hey dude, where are you?
I'm at work, buddy.
We have taken a project. 1 acre of ground and 1 house. I mean, it is best suited to become a resort. You tell me, when can you come?
I'll come with James and we'll meet up.
All right, man.
Hi, Peter.
Hey, we have taken a project.
Really?
1 acre of ground and 1 superb house.
Who's funding us?
We have an investor.
That's nice.
When can you come, man?
I'll come and meet you with Philip.
Okay, then I'll talk to you. All right, sir.
Today party is confirmed.
Peter, I think we have to stay in your house for 2 days.
Why are you saying like that? If you want to stay for 10 days, you can do that. I am happy about it.
That's right, sir. You have to stay at least for 10 days, sir.
Oh no, I didn't call my partners. Let me just call them.
Yeah, you can carry on.
Hey dude, I just finished registration. Please tell the partner also. Okay, man.
It is fortunate that you have friends as partners. Is it not, Roy?
Absolutely right. I know about these partners very well, sir. They are very good people. They are really very good people, sir.
Okay, day after tomorrow, okay? Roy, take the commission from Peter.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay.
Did you hear that? About my commission? Sir, this is the building I've told you.
Oh, this guy. Yeah, tell me, Peter.
Hello? Hey, listen, bro.
Yeah, tell me. What news from your side?
We have taken up a new project.
Another foolish
1
project.
acre of ground and a big house.
Is it?
We have to make it into a resort. We need your help.
I'll be interested if I get some money.
Hey, nothing like that,
Then
man.
what?
We have to go and see the place. You should just help us, that's all.
Oh, is that all? That I'll get it done tomorrow itself.
Okay then, bro.
Okay then, dude.
Okay.
Tomorrow, you wait and see.
He is our own buddy.
Mr. Roy.
Yes?
Take the key.
Sure, sir. You can have it, sir.
I don't know the actual procedure. Anyway, God bless you.
You can come anytime, sir.
Yeah, that can be done. Roy, don't curse me for your commission.
Yeah, you have told me before, sir.
Okay, Peter. See you later.
Okay, sir.
You drive the car very slowly. I don't trust you.
Oh God. You could have gone in that same vehicle. Now I have to leave you.
Sir, I am not going back today, sir. You should need someone here to help you, sir. I will help you, sir.
Hey, that's not needed.
I am giving you my assurance, sir. I will not disturb you. Look, sir. Morning I will prepare bed coffee for you. Then I will clean this entire place. After that, washing your clothes. Then, if you don't have any problem, not every time, in a month, about 15,000 rupees you can give me. That's enough.
Oh, that's enough.
Hey, is this the right place? Yeah, this is the address. Are you sure? Yeah, I really doubt this is the address. No, this is the address. He gave it to me. Well, in that case, I guess he's won a lottery. It's not possible to buy such a big property. Look, he's over there.
Sir, who are these guys?
They are our partners.
Hi, bro.
Come, bro. It's been so long we have met. What is this, man?
I just want to show you that I'm also with you, sir. That's it. Sorry. I will repeat this always. Shit. I will not do it anymore.
Who's he?
My name is Roy. Broker Roy. You don't know me? Sir, tell him something about me, sir.
Broker, is he in the escort business?
Oh, sir. You...
No, don't do this.
You don't think that I am that kind of a broker, sir? Please.
Leave it, man. It's okay. No worries.
This is my usual dialogue, sir.
That is also fine. By the way, from today onwards, he is our slave.
Of course. You know something, sir? If you call me as mediator, I'll be very happy.
Okay.
Everybody is happy.
Carry my bag.
Sure, please give it to me.
Come inside.
Carry my bag too.
Yeah, please give it to me. Sir, please don't think that I'm a ghost, sir. These bags are too heavy.
Listen. We have to go to beverage after this.
Really? Sir, I like this idea very much, sir.
This is not opening. We opened it right now. Something is wrong. What is this?
Bro, don't get tensed. We'll open it.
I am not tense. You check that.
Come here, try opening it slowly.
Sir, you will open it, sir. Sir, you just write once again.
Hey, it's okay now. It is opening.
Oh,
hey.
I'm glad.
Thank God.
Open.
Hey bro, you know what? I didn't have any money to buy this house. Yeah, you guys know about my office. I didn't have any money. I was in no man's land. You know, really, I was going to suicide.
That's really good.
What?
I mean, you're not going to suicide. Do you know something? I joined a catering service which was close to my house. I got this tasty pickle from there. You know its name? Ambrosia Caterers. To be honest, I've never tasted such yummy food in my life. I swear. It's so tasty. For all our future events, we'll order from there.
Fed up with these guys actually. I don't know anyone here. Let me just try calling him. Shit, this fellow is not reachable also. This guy is only wasting my time. I have got other work to do, man.
Yes, I have reached.
Hey, you have come, right? How long it's been?
Sir, nothing to worry, sir. Your preference is JD, and I've got the stuff. Here it is. Jack
give it
Daniels,
to me, man.
favorite drink. Have it, have it.
Here are the glasses.
Awesome, man.
Let's get down to drink.
Yeah, okay. I will send you a request now. That is nice. You accepted, huh? Rose accepted. Wow. That is nice. I will send you a message. Hey, that is nice. Oh God, it was you.
Scared. What was that sound, buddy?
Hey, nothing, man. It's just me.
No, I don't think it was you. Wait for me.
Yeah, Peter.
Hey, bro. Why didn't you come?
Actually, what did you guys do? I came there and I tried calling you guys so many times. And your phone was switched off.
Hey, no, man. I don't think my phone was switched off.
You guys have still not stopped the same old ways of fooling around.
Hey, come on, man. If that is the case, will I call you to come?
How do I know that?
When are you going to come?
I cannot come immediately to you guys now. Actually, I am not like before. I am a little too busy right now. In fact, I am in a very good position.
All right.
Okay then.
So that means she will come. Oh God. I will have to make these people go away. I will make it happen. Food is ready. Yeah, I don't need. I will eat later.
The food is really spicy, buddy.
Yeah. I told Roy before not to put in so much of masala.
Yeah.
But whatever said and done, the food was really tasty, right?
Of course. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. La 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 la.
Cool breeze.
Hey, bro.
Yeah?
When are you going home?
What do you mean? What are you saying? I'm not going anywhere.
Oh God, I don't think he will go. Hey, you guys just go home and come back.
No.
You guys know about him. He won't come at all.
Why? Did he ask you for the money which you owe him?
No.
Did he say he'll come only if you give it to him?
Hey, it is not like that. He has some urgent work to do. That is why he is not coming. Anyway, you guys just go home and come back. No, that's what I am saying. Understand?
Aren't you going?
Hey, right now, if I go home, there is nobody.
So you're not going from here, right? In that case, I'm also not going.
Me too.
Hey, it's not like that. Tomorrow an architect is coming.
What?
It's a girl. I can't make her stay here with you guys. That is why.
Now I get
So
it.
that's the reason.
Okay. And one more thing. When she comes tomorrow, our house should be completely clean.
Definitely.
You understand?
Of course.
Hi, Peter.
Hi. Hey, leave it. I will take it. How did you like our house?
Let me just see.
How was your journey?
Not bad.
Come.
She looks very old. What do you say? It's okay. I like her. In that case, I like her too.
She's coming. Hi. Take a seat.
Yeah, please have a seat.
Okay.
Hey, bro.
Yes, boss. Yeah, I'm coming.
Hey, did you like our food?
I prepared it.
But it's not good.
I followed his instructions, you know. You say it's not good. I need this. Don't expect me to cook again, okay? I've stopped it. Yeah.
Why is she standing there? Wow. You woke up this early. That is great.
Thanks, Peter.
Hey, what is it?
I should agree on one thing about you. You have picked up a perfect house. It's really beautiful. I liked it.
Yeah, I also liked it.
If you could give entrance on all the 4 sides, then it will look like a heritage house.
Oh, that would be nice. You are really great, man.
I need to buy some A3 paper.
Girls should be like this.
Somebody tell me something. What did Peter say?
What I said was, we need an arch. Oh no, not arch. If we can put a walkway from there, we can have a loan here.
But you have a lawn this side also.
Hey, just shut up, man. I'm not talking about that. We have a loan here.
What is wrong
And then over there, a swimming pool. That would be great.
It's gonna be very boring.
Yeah, she's right.
Let me just plan something. If it doesn't work, then you can put somebody else on the job. Come, let's plan it out.
You saw the expression. Something is going on here.
Yeah,
Sir,
right.
I have a doubt. What's wrong with the lawn coming this side, sir?
Oh God. You know something? You talk too much.
Really? You know something? If a swimming pool comes this side, it'll be superb. Standing upstairs, you will get a perfect view.
Forget about all that now. Come on now, let's go inside and prepare our lunch. Come, let's go.
Hey Rose, if we have an arch there, it'll be nice, no?
Not bad. It looked nice. It actually has a traditional touch to it.
Oh, that is good.
I'll give you the plan in couple of days. Why don't you start with the preparations of construction?
Hey, that is fine.
Oh God, there's a power cut. This is bad. Na 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 na. Peter, there's something fishy in this house.
What is the problem?
I don't know, but I can feel some bad vibration.
Hey, I haven't felt that.
I felt it, buddy. You gotta believe me.
Hey, come on, man. Hey, Hey? What is this? A coconut falling down?
You didn't believe me, right?
What should I do now?
What are you thinking about?
Hey, here come. Just sit.
Your tea.
Thank you. Hey, what is our plan? Before the rain comes, will something happen?
Let's see. We'll work something out. Tell me the truth. How much did you pay for this entire house?
Oh God, I won't say that. That is my trade secret.
If it's your trade secret, don't tell me.
Hey, don't do like that. Come to me, darling.
What's going on? You cheat?
Why did you come here?
You should not have done this to us. I'm sure he is a cheater of the decade. My God.
Oof, God.
Oh, where's Peter? He was right here. I'm quite sure he's gone to that girl's room. Let me go see. I won't leave him today. I'll leave. Oh, I didn't expect this from him. He's a nasty fellow.
Hey, Peter! Peter, can you hear me? Open this door. Switch on the motor, there's no water. Peter, are you there? Oh. Hey! Peter! James! Can you guys hear me? Stop messing around, okay? Open the door! James! Peter! Oh, this door's not opening.
Did you call me?
No, I didn't.
Something is going on here. What is this, sir? Very peculiar.
Mr. Roy,
Sir?
since how long have you known this place?
For almost 25 years, I know this house, sir. It was an old building. After demolishing it, they have built a very good house. Yeah. Why are you asking, sir?
Just a question. It's been on my mind.
Hey bro, tell me what is the problem?
Have you guys felt something unusual about this place?
What is the problem?
What's wrong? No problem at all.
Hey, I don't think so.
I feel the same too. I'm sure there's some problem in this place. There's something which has been following all of us.
What do you mean?
Well, I had a bad dream last night. I put a leaf in the water. It showed me that something's following us. I also confirmed about this after speaking to my master. We gotta find out.
Peter,
Hmm.
there's something wrong with this entire house.
What is it?
I really can't point a finger at this.
Hey, I don't think so.
There is some sort of discomfort here.
Both my friends told the same, and now you are also saying it. I don't understand.
Something is there. I told you what I have to. Rest is up to you now.
What happened to all these people?
Mr. Roy? Roy! Where are you?
Where did
Mr.
this
Roy?
man go?
Roy!
Woo! Where did he go?
Hey, Peter's here. Peter? Did you see Roy?
No.
He's not over here, buddy.
Where will he go? He'll be here only.
We looked for him everywhere. He's nowhere to be seen.
Oh, he'll be here, man.
Now, who'll go and buy the beer?
You will go.
Me?
Yeah.
He's not here. I searched him all over the place.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, if he wants to go, he can go.
Such a
Whatever.
useless fellow.
Hey, we didn't see him.
I'm back.
Hey, you got it?
Yeah, I got it, buddy.
Did you see Roy anywhere?
I didn't see him.
I don't know where he would have went.
I'll be right back. Wait till then, okay?
Yeah, you come fast. Hey, take that glass.
Okay.
Oh God. Bro, come fast.
Coming. I'm here, guys. Pour the drink. The shop was crowded.
That's okay. We got what needed. Hey, Rose. I need some water.
I'm coming. Here, water. I'm going to lie down.
Okay.
Where am I?
You know something? What you told me I can understand. But our department and the judiciary, they will not accept it.
But court will not accept it. I'll tell sir.
Right.
Madam, what should we do?
Don't worry, Diana. He's working for you guys.
What are we supposed to do?
It is a complicated case. We'll have to think about it. You know every details, you know.
What will we do, Jackson?
Hey, I know you haven't done anything wrong. We will do something. Hey. Hey, where did he go?
I'm back, guys.
Hey, did you get it?
Yes, of course. It was a struggle, but I managed somehow.
Did you see Mr. Roy anywhere?
I didn't see him.
We don't know where he went.
Here you go, buddy. Wait for me. I'll go change.
Hey, get some glasses.
All ready.
Hey, come man.
Coming. The shop was so crowded, you know. It took me nearly 2 hours to buy this drink.
That's okay. We still got it. What happened to the broker?
Oh no! God, no! No! Leave me!
Did you recognize me now? I'm Rose. I trapped you guys in my net. All this that you are seeing over here are my imagination. You destroyed not just me, but my family also. I cannot leave this world without killing you.
The report which I have given you is actually very true. I have not done anything that goes against the law and justice. And I don't think there is anything more to be discovered than whatever I have done. And I don't want to tamper the facts for the sake of law. And this is not a case of that sort. So now, everything is in your hands. Okay, sir.
Okay.
A 8-year girl was molested by a 45-year-old man.
My dear brother, I told Shanmugam on the phone he's coming tomorrow morning. Good times have come, good times have come. I should only say this, not my goddess. There is a problem in this house. You have to mitigate it. If not, you will not survive. Nothing will prosper. Nothing will work. Nothing will work. I don't say this. My God asked me to tell you. Take necessary steps. Do some mitigation.
Hey, bring him here.
Hey,
Go on, get him. Stop.
Catch him.
With great difficulty, looking after a girl child, giving her proper studies and growing her. After that, we will decide her to give her to a very good family. One fine day, you will come and just talk some nonsense telling that something bad is going to happen. Finally, all the relatives will see my face thinking when this will stop. This engagement will happen. You can be here and have food and leave. Tie this fellow and keep him at the backside.
Take him and go, man. Why is he beating me for my goddess Jagamma's words? Hey, even if his mother speaks, he'll hit there only, man. You're not listening to me, it's a mistake. Someone is definitely going to come and stop this. Whoever comes will die.
What a smell, Arasu! In just 3 hours, it will be a fire in a valla.
Tirnavakar se.
What happened, dude?
What is the smoke is coming?
It will take almost 6 hours. That's why I taken a boost up. Is it smelling?
Shit, I may puke now. Come outside.
Come, sit here.
Come, let's go.
We are leaving at neck of the moment. Will we reach on time?
We are going by bypass. We can surely reach, sir.
Dad, we should go by Srirangam route.
Why, son?
My friends are waiting there. Let's pick up them.
You should have asked them to come here or come there.
Dad, this engagement may be successful or not. I will not go without them. You know what are the plans they made for me? I cannot tell them, come here, come there. We should pick up them from the spot. That will be honor.
Driver, we'll go to Srirangam first.
7 crore people.
What?
For the people, I would like to.
You're not going for that, buddy. Just tell about yourself alone.
Okay.
Excuse me. Garland, people should put for you.
Oh, have it. Thank you.
A hint was given there. One person will be coming to stop the engagement, and he is none other than this man. His name is Murthy. Irony is, the groom thinks that if he doesn't come, the engagement will not happen. The best part is, he is the person who is going to stop the engagement. But the groom doesn't know that. The incidents what happened before this group reached the destination. Now you can watch it. He is Murthy's father. His name is Paneer Selvam. In short, Paneer. He is a person who's going to cut the ribbon and start the problems. He is a man of self-discipline. He goes to any extent for that. 10 years before, when he was having a drink at a bar around 11 p.m., he was sent out informing that the bar has to be closed. Immediately he made a promise that henceforth he will drink only in his own place. That day he started for himself and now it is his business. At Trichy, Paneer Bar is very famous for the side dishes too.
You have lost faith in us, I think so. That's why I've been going since morning without eating anything and trying hard for your drink. Why? You could have sent Murthy for this.
Why should he go for all this?
What, brother? Why are you telling like this?
He's got some other plans.
What is his plan?
One deal and coming up in life.
What do you mean?
Instead of me telling, you can ask him directly.
Huh?
Hello. Check my check. My dear ladies and gentlemen, yours today's investment will be tomorrow's very big returns. Today's seed will be tomorrow's tree.
They are selling the drug, I think. Wait and see.
Our motto is to make all of you as an owner for our plots today itself. So for your easiness, we came here in search of you people. Square feet is just 40 rupees. Only 40 rupees. Rice is 50 rupees. But we are giving the plot in 40 rupees. While you are walking, you will not feel that you don't have a plot. But while flying, I am sure you will definitely feel. So no one should feel like that hereafter. Don't worry.
You continue with the work, sir.
If you want the land, just give me a call. Look here, our own vehicle is waiting for you. Hey! What, dude?
Nothing, bro. We didn't pay our due for 3 months. I told him already I will pay after I come back. Bloody bugger, he shouldn't have done this to us.
3 months due means 36,000 rupees. How will you pay? Vehicle is important for our job. If the buyers comes to see the land, how we are going to take them? Whoever register this month itself, registration charges is toll free. And also, we are giving a gold coin, which is also free. Whoever makes the registration today will get a package to go to the Himalayas, and our administration will take care of that charges too. What, brother?
You can continue with the work, sir.
No one is trusting us for 450 rupees. They have taken away.
For my 36,000 rupees, you spit at me. Now what to do for this 450?
So what I'm thinking is, let us vacate this place immediately. What, buddy? What happened and why are you looking like this? Just be brisk, okay?
Doing business with others' money will be brisk only. Put your own money, you will know the pain. My brother already advised me to join Erva Matin. They will give missed call. You just have to respond. This is from Amazon Forest. They will give commission. You can get settled easily. Responding to missed call is what job I thought. Now I repent. I should have joined that. I thought if I join your business, you will put my face on every calendar and I'll get famous.
What? I've done it, right? You have told me to print the photo. But see what I have done? Who is looking like an entrepreneur? See.
Don't misunderstand me, Murthy.
Buddy. Will you listen to me?
Yeah.
Let us have a drink.
How in the morning?
We'll create a night effect and we'll do it. Hereafter, you shouldn't do like this.
Hey! In this small lane, see how fast he is going, bugger.
Leave it, dude. Evening newspaper will say how many has died.
I think they heard what you said, brother.
Could you hold this now? I know you guys are having the weapons. I have the conscience. Do you have the conscience? Will you beat me? Oh, this guy? You just relax.
Who's this idiot looking like an adult movie star?
What, Murthy? New partner, colorful umbrella. Why have you come here?
Just walking.
Shit. In this weather, walking? Have you ever spoken truth? This Namo Narayan was looking after his government job alone. Now, along with these guys, you have changed my name to Sumo Narayanan. What did you tell me when we met last time?
Hi, my dear brother.
Hi, Murthy. How is your dad?
He is good, brother.
He should be good because he's looking after his business. You saw my status. Counting the government cash, my fingers are literally paining.
I know that. That's the reason I came with an idea. In Tilanagar, there is a very big asset. They started to build a complex, but they couldn't. But now we are going to exchange it. I spoken to the buyer. Party is in Dubai. If you could ready 25, we can get the power. Brother, commission is alone 1C.
Plan is really good, but I don't have cash.
I know that, brother. Your Janaki Street house. Give me the document.
Hey, are you joking? I just have one document.
What, brother? Just for 6 months. Instead of in your home, let it be in the bank. More safe than your house. Next year, I'm sure, brother, you will not walk just like that. You will travel in car and you will settle in bungalow, you know?
Will this work out?
It will be perfect, brother.
He got trapped in this guy's web only, but now I have fallen in deep trouble. Looks like my 10 lakhs is gone forever. Sir, I am also a partner like you. Shall I sit in the front?
Brother, if you beat me or slap me also, I don't have anything to give it to you.
What is there to brag about it?
Murthy, I have crossed this stage long back. The Goondas who are coming with me now, if I tell them to pluck the hair, they will come with the head itself. You collected my document and gave it to somebody else. Just show his house alone. I know what to do with these guys. I will leave you.
Hey, Sir is giving you good offer, no? Give him address. Tell him I say.
Brother, go to Javagar Street.
Sir got shifted to this house, huh? I'll go inside and give you signal if he's there. You wait here itself.
These are all old idea. I'll be waiting outside. You guys will go inside and you'll just try to escape from there. And finally, police will come and arrest us. Am I right? Am I correct? You guys be here. I'll go and inquire.
Brother, it's locked, brother.
Hey, go and search backside.
Brother, he's locked it from inside and sitting safely there.
I'll be waiting outside. You guys break the door and get inside.
Right, brother. Brother, he's put us in the wrong place. Yes. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. 15 years of hard penance. Why? To go to Kailash. You spoiled all that. In 10 minutes I'd have been gone. My head went above. Touch my nose and see. Touch. Touch. Do you feel the chillness? Is it cool? It's a bliss. Now everything is lost. Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Where's he gone? Where's he gone?
Hey! Hey!
No, not hit me.
Come on! Come on, guys! Let's escape! Come on! Run! Come on! Let's go!
Brother, I think you lost your ring and watch. We are waiting here calmly. You just go search for it and come. We'll wait here only.
Life is very important. Even for you. Guys, why are you drinking alone? Why don't you have some chicken also?
If chicken goes into the stomach, there will be no place for drink to go in.
Wow, that's a very good decision. Very good decision. Even if you're totally drunk, you cannot be there for a minute. Why are these guys hiding in the toilet? Hey, I'm sure those guys will be hiding here. Come on, destroy the shop and find out.
In this position, we can't do that. We'll try to search him out.
Is that so? Okay, that's what even I think. Come. Hey, where is my son? Hey, I am asking you, where is my son? Buddy, this question I have to ask you now. Where is your son? Buddy, from morning you're traveling in this car and you're not able to find my son till this time. I'm just sitting here from morning. How can you expect me to find him?
Don't worry. Only Podimas.
Hey, who are you telling?
I'm taking order for the table.
But there is no one in the table.
They are reserved for the evening.
Buddy, what's going on here? You saw me. How was I before? What's my personal loss? You know the reason very well why I've come here. I've lost everything because of your son. Why don't you think about that and settle some amount? Narayana, you don't know history. Come, I'll tell you. Narayana, can you just guess what is this? It looks like a town map. All these properties were belong to me. The guy you're searching who's my son. To grow my stupid son, I had sold my entire property which I had brought. But he did not prosper. Come. Actually, personal loss is more for me than for you. The balanced property what you had seen in the chart, that is this place. You people will take this and I should be in the streets or what? I won't give 100 rupees believing my son. And why did you give the document to him? Narayana, not today alone. Any day don't come to me for money. If you're really upset, you can go have a peck and tell my name. As of now, that is all I can do for you. I should come here and have a peck? Look, since I'm keeping quiet, don't think I'm a fool. If tomorrow something happens to your son because of me, don't ask me that. You could have told me the matter and don't feel for that. Nor you should go to the police station for that also. Do you understand? Why should I go? Just turn back side. They have come. Good evening, sir.
What, man? What happened? There is some problem in the bar?
Nothing, sir. We were just talking, sir.
What are you talking about? Court and case?
No, sir. Basically, I'm a government servant, sir. Whenever I find time, I used to talk about our government staff, sir.
Even I am a government employee. Come, let's sit down and talk.
Sir, slowly, sir.
Come,
Sir, my leg is paining,
let's
sir.
talk it out.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, I'm a government staff, sir. Sir, please, sir. Hey, what is my son? Initially used to come alone. Now he's coming with his gang itself. This is not good at all.
We wanted to settle the money selling some property. But now they have seized our vehicle.
Okay, but how are we going to settle him now?
Leave him, Dad. He will not disturb us for next 15 days.
15 days? What are you blabbering? You know the reason why I've come here. I have lost everything because of your son.
Hey, what happened? Tell us. Tell us. Are you selling illicit liquor? Tell us. Tell the truth. Tell us what happened. No, we are just picking up the empty bottles from there, sir. You pick waste in a big vehicle, and I should believe what you say. Say, tell us the truth. We are just collecting empty bottles for audit sake, sir. Please. Trying to cheat us? Tell us your boss. Who's the boss, sir? Oh, this rascal. Your whole team is getting beaten. You are sitting idly. Where is the factory? Tell us.
He said, He's the owner of a Tata Sumo.
Sir,
What?
look at how my body is after drinking duplicate alcohol. Don't leave them, sir. You have to hang them.
We will take him to the court and judge will say that. You be quiet.
Hello.
What?
Basically, I'm a government staff. If you take the empty bottles to the court, the case would not happen.
My senior knows that. That is why we have ordered 600 black coffees.
600 black coffee?
You can't.
Look how you have spoiled the name of a decent person like him.
Will us leave just like that?
Then, you want to give him death punishment? If you have any such plan for me, let me know beforehand. I will relieve myself from your partnership. I will work as a laborer.
Hey, just think how we are going to take the vehicle out first of all.
Bro, just come this side. Come in the front. Bro, you stand the back, bro. Bro, why don't you listen? Please go that side. Bro, just adjust, bro. Bro, hey, just get inside, man.
Hey, talk with the respect. We are only working for them. Old man, please be in line. Ma'am, you also stand in line. Sister,
come on,
with a
slowly.
child, come
Sister,
front.
Just go that
Sir,
side.
from the morning we are here. So first give it to us.
Have patience, sisters. All is for you only. I am not taking to home. Small child standing in the sun.
Kindly
Have some
maintain
mercy.
line, sisters.
Please wait for some time.
Instead of delivering the goods late, keep more people and complete the job soon.
Okay, sir. I'll
All
do
right.
that, sir.
Yeah, welcome,
Hello,
Mr.
sir.
Mani.
You went to Trichy for looking at a bedroom. Is it okay or you want
No,
some
not
more?
at all required.
I have one in my
He seems to be a good boy. The way he's handling the customers who's coming to the shop is really good. I think his mother is expecting more.
Yes.
We can give. You
Okay,
can talk.
What, brother? Shall we start the marriage work now itself?
Why are you talking nonsense? I'm just telling him to finalize his things. Before that, okay, let me go to Coimbatore and bring my daughter. Okay, see you.
Blanket,
Blanket, bedsheet. Come on, sir. Come soon. You can keep yourself very warm in this. Come, sir. Get it very low price. Come, sir. Blanket, bedsheet. Sir, come, sir. Rajasthan blanket. Very specially made for you. You can keep yourself very warm, sir. Come, sir. Come soon. Get it.
Come on. Hey, what are you doing now?
Why is it blanket like this? My whole body is itching, man.
Not like that, dude. There is some problem in your blood, I think so. Just test it first of all.
Blanket, sir. Come on.
Blanket. Rajasthan blanket, bedsheet, Rajasthan blanket,
Uncle, oh
bedsheet.
God.
Rajasthan blanket, bedsheet, blanket. Hey,
Take this. Put this as a mask.
already you are having the itching problem. Then what is this for?
My uncle is coming. He will kill us if he sees. Blanket, sir. Come on, sir. Low price. Good quality. Come on, sir. Blankets. Nice Rajasthan blankets. Come on, sir. Soon. Very good quality. Rajasthan bedsheets. Blankets for you, sir. Very nice warm blankets for you. Come on, sir.
Rajasthan blankets, sir. Bedsheets, sir.
No, I heard that North Indian people are very fair, but you're all black.
Hey, what do you want? We came from Rajasthan, that to a very hot place, and we came in the lorry. Do you know that or not?
What, man? In whichever vehicle you have come in only one vehicle, isn't it? Then why are you so black?
What is this? You tell him.
What to tell now? Absolutely no use.
My son, I heard that you are loitering in Madurai only, and your father is telling that in Trichy my son is very well settled, and here also you are loitering on the road?
Uncle, I need 50,000 rupees urgently. Will I get?
All are you saying, my son? There is already no rain in the state. I am waiting for the central or the state government to give something.
Hey, get lost.
Give some respect, man.
Go get lost or I will strangle your throat.
I got
Good
that.
for nothing fellow. Looking for free money from center and state governments.
He ran away when you asked money.
All relatives are like this only.
भैया बुला रहा है.
Hey, dude, what he is saying, I couldn't understand.
Is it so?
Today is the last date. You said totally 10 days. Only 6 days has completed. What about 4 days?
Wait, let us go and talk to him.
That's what he said, huh?
Come, let's go.
Okay, come, let's go. What said G? He's telling something. I couldn't understand.
You guys, instead of completing the target in 10 days, you complete in 6 days. You can collect the entire amount I told you.
We'll go to Madurai, finish your vehicle due, then we'll live your life.
Money smell is a different smell, huh?
Next week we are going to Goa. Would you like to join?
Next time when we are getting the bad situation, then we'll think about it, okay? If you want, his uncle is here only. Get him with
Okay,
you.
carry on, guys.
Buddy, we are going to Madurai. Book a call taxi.
What? For going to Madurai, you want call taxi? See how money is changing your brain. Before paying vehicle due, don't even take 100 rupees.
Then to Madurai?
For that, I have a long idea.
for the kind information of the passengers. Train number
S425.
Sir, is this Madurai train?
This goes to Tanjore. Only the next will go to Madurai.
from Viluppuram to Sengotai. It would start from the platform number 1
Dude,
in
coffee.
another 5 to 10
Will you give money? Hey, get up, it's morning, go.
You have a lot of money, but just thinking a lot to get a coffee.
If you give money, I'll give you boost itself.
Yes, sister.
Buddy, look at that girl.
Very beautiful girl.
Stop. I decided one thing.
What?
I decided to give my whole life to that girl.
Oh my god.
What?
No, oh my god, I stretched a little bit. Give me your hand. Definitely this girl is for you only.
I haven't studied a lot. I haven't gone to any job also. I have wasted my father's property also. Even now, I don't have any money with me. You know everything, and how dare you can say like that?
At this time, you won't listen to me anything that I say. Order one coffee, no?
Brother, 2 coffees.
I told 2 coffees. Why are you making 1 by 2? That girl looks like well-educated one. Will she fall for you?
In a family, if couple of people are literate, then it means school.
Okay, whatever. That girl looks like she's from a rich family. Did you notice that?
What? We will also become rich.
Dude, that train is going to Tanjavur.
I know. Come on, get in.
Such an irresponsible fellow.
Chutney? Sheldon. Oh, there is a book for chutney also. Super. Hello?
You got the train from Junction?
You're right, sir.
You're from Tanjore, right?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Thank God. I'm coming from Coimbatore. Feeling restless because I could not talk with anyone.
Sir, sit down, sir. I won lot of medals in speaking competition. Yes,
really?
sir.
Come that side. We'll have a breezy conversation.
Sir, it is so
no, it's
cool
okay.
here
The
also,
seat
sir.
is not good here.
Sir.
Come, let's go there. Come,
Sir.
come. Come, buddy. Then, brother, tell me, what are you doing?
Business only, sir.
Oh, business.
25 or 30 lakhs I will earn in a year. I'm the only son.
How many children?
Sir, I'm still bachelor.
What, bro? You tell you're the only son, you're earning a lot of money also. You could have married early stage.
What, sir? I don't know why there is no fulfill in my life, sir. Then tell me something about you, sir.
My daughter is studying in
Oh.
Coimbatore. Now it's her vacation. So I've just brought her back.
Sir, you said you don't have any company, but you came with your daughter here. Sir, is there any mistake?
No, not at all. You know the girl who's sitting there? She's my daughter. How is she?
Sir.
It's okay, just tell me how is she?
I'm not kidding, sir. There is no connection between both of you, but she is very beautiful, sir.
Even though my daughter's beautiful, God has given her some problem also.
What are you saying, sir?
My daughter's deaf and dumb. That's her problem.
Sir?
Yes, I'm not joking. She's deaf and dumb.
But she is not looking like that, sir.
How can you see by looking? Sit and talk with her, then you'll know. She doesn't want others to know her problem. So she uses her headphone and show others that as though she is enjoying her music very well.
Yes, sir.
You know how many times she's read that book what she's reading now? She will involve herself completely as though she's reading for the first time.
Yes, sir. Sir, come on, sir. I said there is no fulfill in my life, right, sir? Now it's fulfilled, sir. I will give life to your daughter.
Just leave my hand, bro. And stop telling jokes also. I've decided long back about her life.
What, sir?
My daughter will marry a person who's got the same problem like her.
Sir.
Now you may feel that everything is comfortable. But after some days, when a problem arises, you may talk about her physical problem. She will feel upset about it. That's the reason.
Sir, please ask her also, sir.
She herself has taken this decision.
Sir, if you give me 6 months' time, I'll do an operation, sir.
Hey, what are you talking nonsense?
There is a laser treatment also, sir. No need of using.
Just shut up, bro.
Oh, so hot.
All of you take your ticket out, please. Where is your ticket?
Oh my god. Ticket is with him only, no?
Show me.
Hey, stop. What? Half the people are traveling in toilets only. Shit.
Show me your ticket.
Hey, look at me. Hey, look at this balloon. Look like me, look at me.
Nice chain. Hey, cute baby, come on. Sweet baby. Usually I
Show me your
travel
ticket,
AC
please.
only. So hot inside here.
These people,
Excuse me, sir.
you never buy a ticket. Why should I waste my time?
Nowadays, we also buy tickets.
Is it? Show me. That's okay. You're taking 5 tickets for 6 people.
We are only 5 people, sir. I don't know who this is. He came here and rubbing my child. My child will get disease, sir. Pull my kid away, sir.
Hey, get up, man.
Actually, I'm from a decent family. Please talk with respect.
Hello, traveling without a ticket in unreserved compartment. You don't even have a shirt. You need a certificate for your family?
Sir, ticket is taken, sir.
Who?
Friend.
Where is he?
He's there at front.
Come with me. You want me to hold this?
Wear shirt, sir.
Come.
Sir, listen, sir. There is no problem, sir. My family will accept it.
You know what are you talking now?
Sir,
No, it is not possible,
Please, sir.
bro.
Please try to help me, sir.
Is he your friend?
Yeah, you're right, sir.
Have you taken a ticket?
I got a
Show
ticket.
me. Hello, this ticket is for Madurai.
Sir, this train will go to Madurai via Tanjore.
If the central government plans it will take 5 to 6 years. You have a lot of problems. You come with
Sir,
me.
sir, I'm talking to my relation. So
No,
please,
it's
sir.
okay, bro. You can solve the matter.
Sir,
Please, carry on.
You come with me.
What is the problem, sir? Give us a couple of tickets with fine also. Give him the money. Sir, where is my friend, sir?
When you're talking to me, he jumped into the Kaveri. Did you see?
Dad, with whom were you talking? Tell me.
He's a good for nothing fellow. You know what was he talking with his friend?
I haven't studied a lot. I haven't gone to any job also. I have wasted my father's property also. Even now, I don't have any money with me.
And to me, he's telling that he's a big businessman. He's telling me that he's earning around 20 to 30 lakhs. He wants to give a life to you also. Stupid.
Really?
Since I want to save you from him, I just bluffed to him that my daughter is a deaf and dumb girl.
Dad.
But he had something in his mind. He told me to wait for 6 months so that he can also be a deaf and dumb boy. I don't know how his parents are managing with a stupid son like him.
Sir, I'm begging you, sir. Please leave me, sir.
Leave me, man. I'm not inspiring.
Okay. Oh, next step. Madam, I think it's very difficult. Nothing, madam. I will say only 4 lines. Just teach them around. I will take care of the rest, okay? You are looking beautiful. The moment I saw you, I've fallen down. My heart is full of injuries. Totally, I love you. This is enough, man. That's it.
Hey, idiot. You did not know basic itself. In this situation, you are falling in love,
Madam,
huh?
please, madam.
Hey. Madam, who are you?
Oh,
What's
Dad.
going on here? Hey.
1 minute. While we are traveling to Madurai, Murthy saw a girl. It's a shock for you. Same for me also. We would have minded our own business, no?
Of course.
He wants to pursue his love. That's why.
Oh my god. Hey, I tried to advise you a lot, but you did not prosper. I was afraid that the girl who's going to marry you, when she scolds, how are you going to manage? But now I don't have that worry at all. Because she's not going to scold you in her entire life. Even if she wants, she will think in her mind itself. And you can continue with your useless life. Okay, one question. Who is she and where does she belong to?
It's all because of him only. If he would have booked a couple of tickets to Tanjore, then I would have followed her and I would have known her a lot.
Hey, following the girl whom we love, that is not true love at all. Even if you don't have any job, you do some work. If you're destined to get her, you will definitely see her.
Dad, Oh my god, my dear dad. You're not my dad. You're my friend.
Hey, as long as you don't ask money, I'm your best friend. Go, carry on with the work. Just go.
Then me?
Do one thing. Take the flowers and fruits along with you and keep the tray here itself because it's very costly. Will you please get out from here?
Look and come.
Come.
Thank
Who
you.
you are?
Yeah, fine.
Anything special?
Our elder daughter is getting married, so we just came here to offer our prayers.
We will do a puja with her name. I saw you when you were a baby. What is her zodiac?
Meenashi, Astam, Virgo.
Okay. God bless the whole family. I know them from their childhood. Please protect all of us, including me.
Buddy, whether these people would have marked ink on the money?
Why?
Yesterday we have lent it from a guy. Now it has gone to him.
Balance 200.
What, Sethi? We are paying the entire amount. Why worry for 200?
It's profit in the business like salt in the food. If it is high, you can't eat. If it is low, you cannot eat. Salt should be right.
Despite being Tamilians, I have not heard such an advice from a Tamil man. Give him the money.
Sete, I don't have that much big money with me.
Pay the whole amount and take your vehicle.
Hey, you got the vehicle because this guy is from your place and he will help
Bro,
you, right?
even for his state people, he will do like this only. Give him the money.
Set. You will not trust me. Just see here. Look here. We might travel in train without ticket. We don't have money for food.
Food is going to be offered for the devotees. So kindly request the devotees to come and have the food.
Oh, there is free food in the temple. Go eat. Good for you.
Yeah.
Said, there is no problem when you said there is no money. But you told to eat this food, right? Hey, come on, let's go.
Humble request to all the devotees to come to
Don't
the
feel
temple
bad
and
about
have
what
food.
Sethi said. Even my grandmother has told me the same. Eating temple food gives blessing.
So what are you saying now? Buddy, is this the place you said?
This is my native place. This is the only dining auditorium here. You know how many times I have eaten here. Look there, how the food is kept covered.
Meenashi, serve the food. You go and bring the water. See,
Yes.
everyone has to eat and go. Take care of the
Okay,
relation,
okay.
okay?
Hey, food is getting cold. Why your eyes are closed? Before you eat, look around for a moment.
Idiot. The whole world is in this food only. Don't get up in between when eating your food. I am diabetic. You take this jangri for you.
Hey, she's here. What are you doing now? Come on, let's go.
Why are you getting angry now? Anyway, you are going to introduce me as your lovable brother only. Why should I starve for that? That extra sweet you will eat or should I eat it? I will take it myself. Super food.
Greetings, sir.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Is everything fine?
Elder daughter is getting married. So we just came to the temple to offer prayers.
That's very good. When is the marriage?
The date is not yet fixed, but we will finalize it soon. I hope there is no misunderstanding for you.
Nothing like that. My son saw your daughter and said he liked her. I came to know it is our people, so I was happy. But it didn't happen. Hey, it's okay. Take care.
Sure, sir.
If you want any help,
Thank you,
just
sir.
ask.
Sure,
Shall
sir.
I leave?
What is Brother Adikalam telling?
Nothing. He had asked my 2 daughters to get married to his 2 sons. He is the elder son. Younger son is in Australia, I believe. I said elder daughter can get married now, and second daughter since she's studying later on. But he wants to get married as both the sons at the same time. So it didn't work out.
He's a big shot in Madurai. You lost a good relation.
Why? What's wrong with the boy which I saw? He's a government staff. If you ask about Tirunavakas in that area, they will tell good things about him.
Hey, what happened? We can also make it big. Come on. Come.
You guys are drinking from the morning. Why don't you go now? Hey, even if they don't pay, just give them 2 fishes.
Okay, brother.
Guys, better have it and leave from here, okay? Come on,
Greetings
quick.
to you, sir.
Okay, greetings, but don't ask for credit, okay?
Dad, I need 10 lakhs rupees urgently.
Is it okay if it's late for 5 minutes?
Dad, I'm not joking. I'm serious.
Of course, I know you're not good for that. And why you're trying for that? I have a doubt. What is so urgent for 10 lakhs now?
Sir, tell him no.
For 1.5 lakhs, you get a conductor's job. 3 lakhs, it is driver's job. 5 lakhs for a peon job. He wants to work comfortably. A clerk's job is available. Morning minister's PA is coming here. If he gives 10 lakhs, he will get a permanent job. What do you say?
Why sudden decision? One deal and wonderful life, is it? Have you locked a decision or what?
Daddy, yesterday we went to temple.
What?
Yeah, we went to eat temple food.
Oh, okay, tell me.
You only said that right. If she will be your life partner, then definitely you will meet her. Yesterday I saw her in the temple. I could see a green signal from her side also. But you know what? Her dad proudly speaks that he has got a government job guy for his daughter. But that was for her elder daughter. Meanwhile, if I'm also in a government job, then we can go ahead and convince him, right? That's what dad...
Changing ourselves for the girl whom we love is old method. We have to change the girls for our style. That is the new
Dad,
method.
how, Dad?
Hey, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, everything. If you have one peg, even without a passport, you can open it here. I know all the latest trend, my dear son. Murthy, even now I'm going to give you an advice as a friend, not as a father. Whatever good things happen in that family tomorrow, first decision will be taken by the elder son-in-law. Do one thing. You try to get his details and you try to become his friend. If tomorrow some problem comes in your love, he will support you.
You are not my dad. You are my
Okay,
friend.
don't repeat the same dialogue. Come on, go.
I'm leaving, Dad.
Okay.
For me,
Would you like to have a cool beer? Fine, you can go.
hot, okay.
Hey, give him a small pack, but only today, not every day. You can go and sit.
Sir.
Yeah, we are loading the stuff now. Yeah, not yet completed. Yeah, that's it. I will send it once it is loaded completely. Yeah, it's enough. You'll get it by tonight and you have to give a good remuneration, okay?
White rice is fall down, right? He will say that rice is not available.
Sisters, the rice which you are expecting is not here. Other quality rice is there. If you want, get it.
Sister, just stand this side.
Hello, brother.
Huh?
Who is Tirunavakarsu here?
He is Tirunavakarsu.
Oh, this fellow, We want to meet him.
What's the matter?
He is going to get married, no? Regarding that only we
No,
want to talk.
he will not talk to anyone when he's on duty. You can meet him later on at his house, okay?
I can see him during lunchtime, no?
He'll be very busy during his lunchtime.
Uh-huh.
Hey, come here.
During lunchtime, why he'll be so busy?
Home with your talking.
Sir, they have come from the girls' house, sir.
Looks like he's a big shot. How will you befriend him?
We'll try. Else we'll try again and again.
Two helmets?
Sir, I'm downstairs. If you want something, call me.
Bro, just sit that side. Bro, show me your card. Hey, this is useless, bro.
Where is Biju?
Hello, boss. Take the cash.
Leave that cash. Bring that case.
Sure. Sandhya, Rekha, come.
Wow. Hey, I have seen you somewhere.
Kavita's sister.
Hmm? Your sister is my close friend.
She said lot about you.
Something tell me?
Continuously used to drink beer.
That's once upon a time. Now you can see my belly, right?
Boss, the girl is interested. Have, boss.
Just drink.
It's a wish. Why don't I have a beer,
Boss,
boss?
have one beer, boss. Enjoy.
Hello, boss. What is this?
Gone. All is gone. Big place, a beautiful girl, all is gone.
Boss, you have mistaken us. We are not from Bride's family. We came to ask a favor from you.
Idiots! Get out! Rascals!
Hello, boss. Why are you getting angry? At a time, how many mistakes? Smoke, liquor, cards also. Rice smuggling, including that couple of items also. I think he is trying for the Limca records.
Those days villains won't commit so many crimes very often. But look at ours, sir.
Just like that. I was acting like I am angry. It was good?
It's not good.
What help you need?
The girl you're going to marry,
Meenakshi.
her sister,
Yes, Chitra.
he's in love with her.
Chitra is loving him.
No. Chitra is not in love with him. He loves Chitra. That is not a big issue. 3 months fully he'll focus on this and make it okay.
Oh.
In future, if we need any favor, you should only help us.
What about future, boss? I will help you now only.
Thanks, boss.
Don't call me boss. Just call me buddy.
Oh, thank you so much.
Here, eat it now, okay?
Oh my god.
Do you even have a bit of sense? Huh? Both of your children are in school, one baby is in the cradle, and now you're pregnant. Are you a woman or a childbearing machine? What is this? I don't know when they will learn.
Chitra.
Huh?
They all came from Tirchi. They saw a different of girl in the train. Regarding that girl name also Chitra. He eagerly waiting for to marry that particular girl, so he just came to our home. In our town, any other name like that?
No, Mom. There's nobody like that. You go ahead. What do you think of yourself? You see a girl, find out her address, and then you go to her place. Thank God my father was not home. Do you know what would have happened then? You know nothing about my father.
I know very well.
Huh?
You scolded that pregnant lady that much on that day. Your father said you are a deaf and dumb. He is a liar too.
Huh? Which father will keep quiet if someone comments about his daughter?
What did I comment?
As if you didn't comment. Huh? Your friend said that I look like an educated girl, right? And what did you reply?
Yeah, in a house, if couple of people studied, is that a school or a house? I told. You just think about it. If there is couple of literate in a single house, then there will be a ego clash. In case if one is literate and another one is illiterate means, even if you scold me also, I will think you are my wife. Just for a word I said. Wife is only scolding, right? So no worries. Considering it as a care, I will also leave as it is. And I will be cool. Life will also be smooth. Just think once. Come on.
Everything's okay. But one thing, your friend said that I look like a rich girl. Why? You challenged him and said as if you can't be. Tell me, what's your plan?
Once we get married and we become as a family, in a few years, our child will be grown. We'll drop our child in a school. And while returning tired to home, while watching the TV, you will get me a tea. You will massage my hand.
Okay.
Then you will say, whatever we are earning is enough for our expenses itself. And in next few years, our child will also be grown. Then you will ask when we will be settled. Yeah, you will ask. Until I was traveling like a flight. After your small question, I have to travel like a rocket. Then you will see. We will settle with house, car, etc., and we'll be in a very good position soon.
Doctor madam, who's he?
Just a friend.
Frienda? Then how come she's talking
Excuse
in
me?
this place?
Your mother is a doctor?
No, it's me. I'm a medical student. Final year.
Medical student, doctor? I'm leaving.
What happened? Why are you running away?
I thought you will be a BA degree holder, but you're a doctor. It'll not be suitable.
Then can't we even be friends?
Friend is okay.
Hey, hello. Where are you going? Wait. What? You say I'm your friend, but you won't give me your phone number? Give me your number and go.
Not like that.
Take your phone. Take out your phone. Take it out. I've got the missed call. I'll save your number. I call you, attend the call, okay? Hey, only that fellow is your friend, is it?
Yeah, he's alone, my friend.
Hey, this dress is so cute.
This one, right?
I like this color, so only bought this
Hello,
one.
sir. This is Murthy from Trichy. Can you hear me?
Look there.
Hey, where are you looking?
Stop the vehicle. Just a minute.
Hey, where are you going?
Hey, just wait for a couple of minutes. I'll
Okay.
be back, okay?
Come soon.
Okay, then
I
you
will
go
wait
and
for
Too
come.
late for me. First of all, what did you say? Come on, tell me. Come on. First of all, you said there is a bank problem. Then you said you will be returning in 6 months of time. Then your wife. Sir, I'll call you back. Hey, what
I
are you
know
doing
about
here?
you. When I looked at your face itself, I knew that you were a drunkard. But I didn't know that you were so addicted to drinks. The bar hasn't even opened, but you're here banging on their door.
Who? It's me?
Show me your hand. Show me your hand. What are you looking at? In my practicals class, I've attended so many drug addict cases. Do you know that? Show me your eyes. Hey, what is this?
Hey, open the door. Come on. Please come inside. This is our bar.
Our
yeah,
bar?
please come inside.
This water is not pure at all. You bring fresh water immediately. Come on, fast.
Okay, brother.
You're getting angry so easily. Come on. Dad, I said you right? Chitra.
Welcome. How are you?
I'm good.
Actually, our house, business, everything's in the same place. Do one thing. You can wait upstairs, okay? Hey, you take her upstairs,
Okay,
man.
Daddy. Come on, please.
Oh, no, uncle. I'm going out now. I'll be back
Are you
later.
sure? Okay, okay, dear, okay, dear.
Do you have a bike? Come.
I'll be back. Come on. Sorry.
Useless fellow.
I keep telling everyone that drinking is wrong, and this is your family business, is it? First, drop me at my place now.
What? For this itself you're saying like this? You have to know about me a lot, right?
Huh?
Shall we talk with a coffee?
We can eat anything you want. First, let's leave.
That's it. We'll have a good coffee. Come on. Sit down.
You said we could have coffee and you've brought me to theatre?
Hello. Coffee will be super in this theater, really. But they will be giving violent interval. But we have to wait for that, right? We'll wait for a coffee, okay?
Smart fellow.
What are you thinking? Hey, come on.
Brother, here only. Thank you very much.
Okay.
What is your lover saying?
She'll not be available for 2 or 3 days.
Thank God. We can focus on business now.
Girls will be saying like that only. So do we need to avoid her?
Good morning. Please come. I am Santosh from Wembur district. Ah, yes, I've heard. Please sit down. Sorry, Please I'm sit disturbing down. you during lunchtime. Bring one more banana leaf. No, it's okay. I had my lunch. Tell me, sir. I hope you know about the problems what has happened. Of course I know. I wish it should not happen once again. That's the reason I've come to meet you. Regarding my 2 daughters, I have lot of dreams. Younger daughter should continue her studies. Elder daughter should get married. But in this situation, I have to forget everything. I have just come here as a normal father and decided to give both the daughters to the same Jamindar family. My decision is wrong or right. I used to think twice before taking a decision. But this time, Jamindar is not that kind of a person. So you have to take care of everything. You come here to inform me or just threaten me? Whatever you think, you can decide.
Shall I serve the food for you?
Call Murthy immediately.
Brother, it's busy.
Try to call him again.
I'm there. Just call him.
isn't getting connected.
Hey, try it again.
Who called you just now?
Come on, buddy, come on.
Brother, the number's already busy. Now it's switched off.
What happened?
Switch off.
Switch off.
Phone is in switch off only, right? Don't on that.
Okay.
What is the real issue? Even he's not revealing anything.
For Chitra and Meenakshi, Madurai Adakalam's 2 sons, you know, marriage is fixed at the same time.
Madurai Adekalam. Murthy, Chitra's father is a very clever man.
What are you saying?
You have heard about Muthupandi. Madurai Adekalam is 10 times Muthupandi. We can't do anything.
Murthy, what is your plan now?
We are planning at a time couple of marriage, right?
Same time it won't happen. First they will do for me.
After doing lot of formalities only, Chitra will get married.
In that time, just go with Murthy. Whatever will happen, I'll see.
Wait at the main gate with the vehicle. Straight away we'll go to Tripurangundram. We'll get married. Then let me see who is going to stop me.
Murthy, I will not accept that.
Boss, you said you will be with us for everything. Now you want to withdraw.
I said no only for Tirupuragundram. If they get to know, he will chase and catch us. We will fix at Meenakshi temple. It is good for us.
Hey, if anyone asks, tell your groom's family. Over that I'll manage. This is my native place.
Okay.
I know all the ways to escape from here.
This is the fellow who stopped the marriage. If he's here, there is going to be some big trouble here. Listen to me. 2 guys have come here to create problems.
An indication.
Leaf bundle.
Come, guys.
Our townsfolk are brilliant, very sharp.
Go.
Hey, come on, let us go.
We have cut the leaves. Nobody's there inside.
Damn it.
Dude, do you see that man wearing magenta color shirt? He is only Adekalam. If he happens to know about us, he'll finish us off here.
Straight away go to him and tell us we are here. Cover your face.
Okay.
Hello.
Adekalam?
Yes.
For your small daughter-in-law, 2 persons are coming for kidnapping.
Who are you?
That is not important now. First find them. Who are they?
Sir, is your brother-in-law still you're doing this, sir?
He knows I am uncle for him, but he did like this. I will not leave him. I want to tell you, I haven't told to any guy now. He gave a Meenakshi number. You remember? That is my number. I called myself again and again. I became mental. For this only I will take revenge.
What happened? What happened? Excuse me. 1 minute, just come. Come, let's go.
Those fellows came this way only. The peacock is not related to this place, so they are in disguise.
I want you and I also want my family. What to do?
Your sister would have told you, right? Vehicle is ready outside, okay? Why are you crying?
Chitra was inside, right? Yes, madam. Chitra, first you only. Just get ready, okay?
First for me?
Meenakshi, don't talk too much. Just listen. Meenakshi, are you ready, right? Take care of her. Why the girls are standing outside? Get ready, my dear. Rekha,
What to do?
you just start. I'm saying you right. What? Mom is saying like this?
The secret is among us only.
Yes.
No problem about Alankaram. I will deal it, okay? Just wait for me here. Okay, I'll come.
Bro, what's the issue? In 15 minutes you are going to get married. What is there to be upset now?
No, man. They told I am first, and they're changing it all of a sudden. There's a problem. I should know that.
Brother, problem is something else. The girl whom you're gonna marry, 2 guys are here to kidnap her. If you couldn't trust me, go to the main gate and see. There will be a tempo traveler. There will be a fat white guy inside. Investigate that guy without damaging that vehicle. Then you will come to know.
Hey, call our guys and go, man.
Okay.
All of you come. Come.
Come, let's go. Go, what's happening? Come. Go. Hey.
What's going on there?
Hey. Oh my
Hey,
God.
you stop there. Sir, he came to kidnap your girl.
All the problems because of you only. Idiotic fellow. Just kill him.
Hey, this person.
Huh? Hey, what's going on? Come, let's go. Come, we'll go. Come soon. Come, go soon. Go. Fast.
Hey, stop it. What the hell is happening? Father, your problem is a big problem. I've already missed her once. I do not want to miss her again. That's why I tied the knot on her. Come and bless us both. Outside, give him the precious tray.
Take it, sir. Nothing wrong, sir. We thought something, but children made it fast.
Sir, Chitra madam is missing. Sir, I have searched the whole temple. She's nowhere to be seen.
What's this?
That's what I told in phone itself.
Hey, close all the gates.
It is not necessary. Come, let's go. I will take you there.
Hey, take him and bring them here. Okay. Hey, walk, man, walk.
We are here only.
Huh?
What the hell
no,
are you doing?
please leave him. No. I'll better kill you here itself.
The guy is known to me. You know that Paneer in Trichy?
You-
He's his son only.
Dangadhara,
Huh?
hold it. Hold it.
Sir, please bless
Hey,
me.
it's all right.
It's okay, my son.
Whatever might be, I love your daughter-in-law. That's the reason. I'm also like your son only, right?
Don't make him talk. Whenever he opens his mouth, he tells a lie.
Dangadhara, nobody should talk. Only I will talk. I asked you long back. Is there a problem in your younger daughter's life? You denied. What do you say today?
Dad, please don't scold him. You please think from his position also. Whatever he does it right only. But compared to you all, I love Chitra so much. Definitely one day I will succeed in my life.
Hey, whatever you talk, I will not give my daughter to you. Sir, as we decided already, your second son will marry my second daughter.
What you're saying? Everyone know these people are loving each other. Then how come it's possible? My son, don't be confused. Please think and say.
I will not listen to anybody's advice. This boy doesn't have anything in his life. Tomorrow my daughter will suffer and you want me to see that? Who is talking nonsense about my son? If he loves your daughter, you'll talk any nonsense. Read it. Read this document. My entire property list is there in the document. Just read it. If he sells this property also within 6 months, then tell me what is your plan, sir? Within 3 months you have understood my son. I am his father. I know him very well than you. Just read it. The entire property is in your daughter's name now. Believe, I am sure both of them will have a happy married life.
Dear.
Uncle, if I don't believe in the situation is not good, my daughter's for you. God bless you both.
Hello. Yeah. I think my marriage is dropped right now.
He's that foreign guy.
Relax, Dad.
Hey, did I fight for only this?
Oh, cool, Dad.